Midnight Mass is yet another profound and thought provoking exploration of the two biggest fears that have continued to haunt the entire human race since time immemorial: the fear of death and the fear of guilt. Writer director Mike Flanagan's filmography is a brilliant cinematic study of these two biggest fears that are based on the actions of human beings. But there is always a sentiment attached to these fears, a feeling that reminds us of our actions and continues to haunt our lives based on the nature of those actions. And this is where Mike Flanagan loves to craft stories that reflect this frightening relationship between that sentiment and those two fears. In The Haunting of Hill House, that sentiment was grief. In The Haunting of Bly Manor, it was love. Now, love and grief have an inevitable tendency to drive us back towards those fears. But there is one sentiment that tends to remove these fears from our lives with the promise of facing no emotional obstacles. The evolution of this sentiment has been institutionalized in different forms across this blue planet, an emotion that often gets both accepted and rejected because of several reasons. It's something that even Mike Flanagan dealt with for the most part of his life. This is exactly why he chose to portray his personal experiences in the form of this new 7-episode limited series. That sentiment is faith. Midnight Mass is the story of faith, the core of the bond between religion and humanity. This bond is very precious to maintain the sanctity of peace in this world. But when you alter the nature and direction of this faith, you start shaking the core of this bond, which can ultimately lead to a separation of religion with humanity. Religion teaches us to follow a voice, the voice that guides everyone to be loving, kind, caring, and forgiving. That voice is nothing but the calling of our conscience. And conscience is nothing but the one word definition of our moral compass that decides the direction of our journey. The journey that we like to call destiny. We decide to have faith in our conscience. We choose to follow that voice. And that choice, in turn, makes us who we are. This series focuses on portraying the lives of 6 different characters and how they chose to follow that voice. Their choices are determined by their close encounters with fear of death and fear of guilt.